In this video tutorial, I will show with you step by step how to log in Garanti Bank. So friends, go to Google, search for Garanti Bank. This is the keyword. After that, click the first website here. And then friends, all you have to do, follow me in this, click this one, click login option. From here, click login option. After click on login, you have two options. You have identity numbers and you have password. Just write your identity number here and then write your password here, make your password and then click login to online banking. So friends, in this case on your way, if you want to log in with app, just go to this one and download this app on Google Play or App Store. After that, when you keep downloading this app, log in with same steps here. Just write your customer number and password. So guys, this is basic step you can do. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more content.